Forget Hollywood, real-life military tech is way more intense. Let's check out the deadliest gear on the planet. First up, the M1A2 Abrams tank. It's a steel beast, weighing over 60 tons and loaded with advanced armor and a 120 smoothbore cannon. With speed and firepower, it's a battlefield legend. Next, the F-35 Lightning II. This stealth fighter isn't just hard to spot, it's packed with sensors and can hit targets before anyone even knows it's there. It's basically the ninja of the skies. For naval power, meet the Zumwalt-class destroyer. It looks like it's straight out of science fiction, but it's real. And it's silent, sneaky, and bristling with high-tech weaponry. Don't forget the HIMARS rocket system. This launcher can fire precision rockets from the back of a truck, hitting targets 80 kilometers away. Fast, mobile, and devastating. And finally, the Aussie favorite Bushmaster. Born and bred down under, it's keeping troops safe in hotspots all over the world. From tanks to jets, ships to armored vehicles, modern military weapons are shaping the future of warfare. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more epic military content.